Hi everybody, we are going to draw a beach today, beach scene. And again, we're going to start out with our guidelines really lightly. Draw yourself a horizontal and a vertical line just so that you can find the center of the paper and give us different sections to draw in. We will be erasing these in a little while just because we're going to be overlapping some images. So in this bottom section right here, we're going to draw a beach towel, and you're going to draw diagonal lines that are going the same way, parallel, and then I'd like you to connect those. That's going to be our beach towel right there. You can add some coloring lines right there so that you can color that in. And then right above this horizon line, we're going to make kind of a curve line, and that's going to be the sand line. So we're having a really deep sand section right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase our horizon line now on both sides, because this is going to be in our way later because we're drawing a little bit more details than we normally would. Okay, so after that, we're then going to draw an umbrella, and this umbrella is going to start right here, and it's going to be drawn over the horizon line, over the sand dune line, and it's going to be just like a curved line right over the top. After that, you're going to do little scallops of curves all the way across until it touches. Now, because this is in the front, you're going to be erasing this line as well. You're going to make a little top of the umbrella there. You're going to make a small parallel lines there for your umbrella stake. And then from the top, put your pencil right here under the top of this umbrella and just connect curved lines that way. And then this side, you're going to pull it that direction. So your umbrella should be in front of this line here. So if you see any more of that wavy line in the background on top of your umbrella, go ahead and erase that. Okay, now we're going to draw the ocean line, and the ocean is going to be further in the background, so it's going to be a higher line on our paper, and this is going to be a straight line. This is our actual horizon line. So we're drawing a very deep beach area of sand, and then this is going to be our water. Now at this point, you can also erase your vertical line. It's kind of giving yourself some. And go ahead and pause this at any time if you need to kind of catch up or rewatch it. But this is going to be where your boats will sit. And the boats will be in the water. I'm going to draw one over here. I'm going to draw a horizontal line, two little diagonals, and then some waves like that. Now coming up out of the boat is going to be a pole. Then you can put triangles on both sides of that. Now again here, our boat is obviously something that's closer to us, so we can't see through the sails, so we're going to need to erase that line right there. Okay, and then up in the sky, we're going to do a cloud. I'm going to make these a flat bottom cloud, so you can draw a straight line, and then we're going to add curves for the billowing cloud there. Do a half curve here for a sunshine. And then let's add some birds. So we're going to add two over here, and we're going to add two or three over here. Now what you can do is go ahead and take your pen and outline. So I'm going to do the sailboat. And since we have waves right there, we're going to go ahead and add a few waves in this main area where there's the water. Remember, this is our horizon line. You're going to stop there, pick up your pen, and continue on because the boat is in front of the horizon. Then let's trace with pen our sand dune line. And let's go ahead and trace the different segments of our umbrella. And this is a really fun one to color in because you can decide what you want to color all of those parts. 2 skinny lines together for the umbrella pole. Outline this beach towel here. And then you can go up here and just add your birds and your clouds. Go ahead and make more clouds if you'd like. You can add more birds if you'd like. You can add more boats if you have space. I'll also show you down here if you want to draw a beach ball. So on this one, you're going to just draw a circle. And then you're going to draw the top of the beach ball, but rather than drawing it at the top of your circle, you're going to drop it down just a little bit and add a smaller circle towards the top of the ball, but not in the center, but not all the way at the top. And then after that, you're going to draw some curved lines around to show the divisions of the colors that you can color that. And if you want to, you can add a few little starfish, little round, maybe just kind of like upside down U's. Connecting like that. There's one. I'll add another one over here. These are pretty skinny little U's. So I start with one at the very top. I do 2 at the sides like arms, think of it that way. And then you would end with 2 kind of like legs. It's the kind of the easier way to draw because you need 5 for a starfish. And there you go, a happy little beach scene that you can color in any way you'd like. So here's your water strip. You have a really deep sand area that you could add people or buckets or toys to. And then you have a really nice sky section. So we have the foreground here in the very front. We have the middle ground here, right in the middle. And then we have the background, which is going to be our sun, sky, and birds. Okay, have fun at the beach, everybody.